And then look at the camera for Mommy.
Action.
Hi, welcome to Olaf and Duca's Science Show. Today, we have a fine powder called sodium polyacrytate. Can you say sodium polyacrytate? Good, he did it. Great work. So we're going to put 2 scoops of medium powder into this jar. Okay, Duca. Big scoops. There's the first one. Here's the second one. Oh, put a little bit more. Come on, Duca. Don't be shy. Oh, too much, too much. A little bit less. Put it back in. Okay, pour half of that in. Okay, well, we did 2.5 scoops. But, you know, quality control. Who cares, right? Are we done? Okay, now for the exciting part, we are going to take this liquid. This is regular H2O Hawaiian water. Are you ready? Pour that in there. Go fast.
What's
and
happening?
What does it do?
Wow.
What is going on? I have no idea what that is.
Is that snow?
Is that Hawaiian shave ice?
Yeah. Is that snow?
Wow. Good work, Duca. Give me. It seems to have made snow.
It's so cool.
Whoa.
Oh, what a mess.
That is great. What do we say about this, Bodhi? Duca, what's up with that?
What's up to that?
And thank you for joining us today at Olaf and
Duca
Science Show. Bye-bye. Until next time.